Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look, which was sent to me by a really good friend of mine, Prissy. She and I met years ago on YouTube when I had my first channel, and we've maintained a friendship since then. And she also has a YouTube channel, so this is our collaboration together. I am going to link her information down below. Follow her. I love her. She's very thorough and detailed, and she is that balance of like high-end beauty and drugstore beauty. I love her to death. You guys, I'm sure, will enjoy her very much. So the agreement was that we would send each other inspiration pictures and then we would pick one. And she doesn't know which one I picked, so surprise! The picture is by an artist, Robin's Boutique. This is the picture. And it's not exactly the same, but I definitely went with something that would flatter my eye shape. She definitely has a higher brow, so she has a little bit more room to add color. And really, I love the way that this turned out. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to pull it off, but I think I did. And I made it more wearable. I could have extended it out. I could have diffused the outer corners a little bit more, but I wanted to go really like edgy. And I would say I'm happy with the way it turned out. P, I hope you're happy with it. I hope you like it. If you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. So this is what we are going to be recreating. I already applied my tape. Today's look, I'm going to be using the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. It looks like this. And we're going to be using these two dark shades as our base, and then these two orangey shades for the crease. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking Nana, which is this shade here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. I'm going to take Zakia. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take this shade here. I think it's Ify. And I'm going to take this really thin brush, and I'm just going to apply this into the crease, only to then blend it out. I'm going to take a little bit of Yahid, which is a navy blue. I'm going to take this brush, which is just a flat brush, wet it with Fix Plus, and I'm going to take Ify, which is, or Ife, I don't know what it is, that first like bluish purple shade, the indigo, and I'm going to start placing this on the lid, and I'm patting because for sure with this color, if I move it too much, it shears out. For the glitter in the center, I'm using Artist Couture Nebula, which has a really pretty blue and teal reflect. I'm going to use glitter glue, just a really small amount. I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus on my hand and then use that to pick up the rest of the glitter. I'm going to take my blending brush and just hit this. I'm going to go back in with Nana, which is the lightest shade of orange that we used. I'm going to take a flat brush and some concealer. Alright guys, so I'm going to take some of this Nebula glitter and bring it up because the picture has a little bit of glitter in the crease there. Don't worry, I know it looks a little crazy. We're gonna take that concealer brush and then just lightly run it across the lid so that it shears it out some. I'm taking Melt Cosmetics Lamia and applying that to the lower lash line. I'm gonna smudge it out with Nana liner, or I'm sorry, shadow, which is the lightest brown that we used. I'm gonna take Urban Decay Ultraviolet Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. Alright guys, for my foundation I use Double Wear by Estee Lauder, and I use my Marc Jacobs concealer. So now I'm going to take this little pencil brush, which I have been using to smudge my lower lash line. I'm wetting it, and I'm going to go into Lazo, which is the shade here, and I'm going to take this and use that to highlight the inner corner. I know that in the picture she has like a rose gold, but I figured we'd keep it uniform. And I like the way this looks. I saw the color, I'm like, oh, I want to use that. I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs setting powder, and I am just going to hit the center of my face and right under my eyes. Let's just take it all over the face. For my cheeks, I'm gonna take Bobbi Brown's Deep Bronzer. I had to take off my chartreuse sweater because it was throwing me off. For my blush, I'm gonna be using this by Becca. This is, I believe, the shade Copperling. And I'm just going to hit these round cheeks. All right, guys, here is the final look. I ended up using the Painted Veil lipstick by Gucci. That's all I have on my lips, and I really like the way it turned out. I feel like it balances everything out nicely. I love this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below letting me know what some of your interests are. Also, if you guys want to do something along these lines, you guys can definitely DM me pictures on Instagram. My handle is down below. But for now, this is it. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.